So let's enter class 9. After a long time, the door of class 9 is open. So this is class 9. So student has come after a long time. So this is the condition of the class. So mostly they have maintained the distance also. So let us try to ask some of the students how are they feeling after coming to school after a long gap of 9 months. So let's start with Abhirup Pradhan. How are you feeling, Abhirup?
Sir, it feels good to be back, sir, to school, sir. The wind blowing, sir. The teachers are teaching. So,
Yeah,
but sir,
that-
there is one disadvantage.
Yes.
Sir. So that we all are divided in batches, sir, and then we are not able to meet with each other, and then there is also a lot of rules and regulations.
Yes. So friendship is important or life is important?
So life is more important.
Okay, very good. So this is what's the name?
MD Rahul.
After a long time, so could not recognize your face also. How are you feeling?
So very nice to meet our friends.
Okay, so only to meet your friends you are
So
happy.
teachers.
Okay, very good. Yes, Debojit, how are you feeling?
I am feeling very happy because I spoke with teachers and classmates after 1 year.
Almost 1 year, right? Very good. So you have come here to clear your doubts and all,
Yes.
right? Okay. So here few students are here. Some are hiding their faces, and so this is Subham Singh. I remember Subham Singh, right? Okay. How are you feeling?
Very nice.
Okay. After a long gap of almost 9 months, you people have come to school. So keep coming. Follow the routine. Follow the protocols properly. Okay. Cut your hair. Ah. Okay. Very good. Yeah, this is one Ansraj Prasad. Yes. So, which one is better? Offline class is better or online class is better?
Sir, offline class is better.
Okay. What is the advantage of offline class?
Sir, offline class advantage is we can communicate our teacher directly.
Okay. You mean you can communicate and clear your doubts at the same time. Okay. So here we have Sneha Sonam. How are you feeling after a long time?
Sir, very excited.
Very
I was very excited. So it's very good to see my friends and we can cooperate our teachers and it's very good.
Yes. And you, Anandita?
So I'm also very glad.
Very happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Follow the protocols properly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here we have Sital Gupta. So Sital, how are you feeling?
So very nice and very glad to come to school and to meet with teachers and friends and to study and cooperate with them. And the rules and regulations which are given by school is very nice and we all will follow that.
Okay, very good. So here we have Jinnat Parveen. Jannatun. Always I am confused with Jinnat and Jannat.
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling?
Sir, very much happy. So in the
Okay.
morning even I danced and came.
Oh, you before coming to school you had a dance. Very good. Okay, so much of excitement. So here we have Nazma Parveen.
Nazma Khatun.
Nazma Khatun. See, teacher already have forgotten your names also. Okay, very good, Nazma Khatun. And this is Poonam Chetri, who always miss the online classes. She was waiting for the class to open up. So she will attend all the classes regularly, isn't it? How are you feeling, Poonam?
Very nice, sir. Excited.
Very
to see
excited.
all.
So give one reason of your excitement. Okay, difficult question. Okay, anyhow, follow the protocols. So here we have Yona.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Yona? How are you feeling?
So I'm feeling good.
Feeling good, very good. And here we have Neha Singh. Still, I remember your names. Neha Singh.
Neha Gupta.
Oh, sorry, Neha Gupta. Best comedy today's. Okay. How are you feeling?
Sir, nice.
Okay, nice. So this is a doubt clearing class. So student has come up with lots of doubts. So here one student with a yellow mask. She was always present in the online classes, but whenever teacher used to ask questions, she used to disappear.
Sir, I didn't
Okay.
disappear.
Yeah, I forgot your name. May I know your name, please?
Nikita Rai.
Okay, Nikita. Yes, Nikita. So here again we have what's your name?
Muskan.
Muskan. Yes, always Muskan. Okay. So this is our class 9 students, batch 1. Class 9, batch 1 group. So same way we'll be calling the batch number 2 group batch 2 from tomorrow, because we cannot accommodate all together at once. We have to follow the safety protocols also. So anyhow we have tried to manage. Again in coming days we'll keep much more distances than today. Okay children, all the best. Continue your classes and be regular and follow the protocols.
Thank you, sir.
So now we are entering class 10 after a long gap of 9 months. So here are the students, they have come to school. So anyhow they have tried to maintain the distance. This is standard 10. So let us ask some of the students how are they feeling. Yes, Siddhant, how are you feeling today after a long time?
I'm feeling very happy.
Yes, can you remove your marks? Yeah.
I'm feeling very happy to be here. We are here to clear our doubts.
Okay, so you have come for clearing your doubts. So this is a doubt clearing class, right? Okay. Many of the students are there. So let me go closer to them. I have forgotten your face also. So here one boy is there with a red mask. Yes, Swarnendu, how are you feeling?
So nice. Sir, I'm happy to be here after 9 months.
Okay, so this 9 month, within this 9 month, his voice is completely lowered. Okay, there we have Susmita De. Susmita De, how are you feeling?
So I'm feeling very excited after 9 months of.
Okay, very good. Okay, don't mind children if I have forgotten your name then. Yeah, here we have Ravi Shankar Prasad. What's your name?
Ravi Ranjan.
Ravi Ranjan, okay. Okay, Tuin, how are you feeling?
So I'm feeling very happy to meet my friends after
Okay, so online is better or offline is better?
offline.
Offline is better. Online is better or offline is better?
Offline.
Offline is better. So online you didn't study anything. So wasted 9 months.
No, sir.
Yes. Anything you want to say about online classes?
So it went well. Teacher tried the best.
Okay, okay, very good. So here we have another boy. Within this year, his height is increased. Yes, Vikas Mal, how are you feeling?
Sir, very good.
Very good. So offline is better or online is better?
Online.
Online is better. Good, good reply. I like it. This is Manish Chaube. Manish Gupta. Okay, sorry. How are you feeling?
So I'm feeling excited and I'm waiting for this day to come.
Okay, so from tomorrow you'll cut your hair. You're promising me, no? Okay. Okay, here we have Jeva Parveen, silent girl, always silent. I have never seen her being violent in the class. A very good girl, always present in the online class. What's your name? Sweta Deswal?
Sweta Jaswal.
Okay. Online is better or offline is better?
So online.
Online. Okay. So this is class 10 who is going to appear for their board exam in the same year. I think in the month of May they will be appearing. So children, clear your doubts, whichever doubts you have. Okay, don't keep any of your doubts with you. Whatever doubts you have, clear it. Okay. So here we have our geography teacher Sunny Pradhan. Sunny Pradhan sir, how are you feeling? Your first class.
So it's good to be in a class for the first time. So everything's good. Everything's like everyone is happy here. So that's it.
Okay, so this was a class. We can say that after a long gap of 9 months, we are here. So 11 months. Oh, almost 1 year. So that means your dress is okay? Yes. Okay. Okay then. This way. This is our common room where history and political science classes are taken over here. So this is the common room where the students have come after a long time, almost 9 months, and the students are very much happy to come to school because they were missing the school very much. So today was the first day. That is why very less students, because many of them they are not at all ready to come to school. But anyhow, these classes are started only to clear the doubts of the students. So here, let us ask to some of the students, how are they feeling? Yes, Nitisa, how are you feeling after a long time?
So our syllabus is already completed, but we have came here to clear our doubts, and we were also missing our school very much. So we are feeling very good actually. We are feeling amazing to come after so many months. And it's an amazing feeling to come back to the school, but still the classes is empty, so yeah, we are feeling a little bit empty because of this loneliness, But yeah, it's a great experience to come back to school after so long.
Okay. So same way you come to school and clear your doubts, whichever you have. Okay, don't feel shy to clear your doubts. So next we have is Tanuja Parveen. So she is here after a long time. After passing class 11, this is the first class she is attending. So how are you feeling, Tanuja?
So I'm feeling great to come to school back, and as our syllabus is already, not almost, it's fully completed, but still we are here, and we have like enjoyed 11 years of our school life in this school, and this is the last year we are coming here. So it's very great to come to back school after 9 months and to see the teachers again, and it's really feeling nostalgic to be in school again.
Okay, so you'll be coming every day or
Every day.
every day you'll come? Okay. So feeling very happy today?
Yes, very happy.
Okay. Keep going. So here we have Karthik Das after a long time. So Karthik, how are you feeling?
So I'm feeling very nice to come in school because after 9 months we have attended our school first time. I've missed my school very much. It's about 9 months. By 12, it's like I've not attended class 12 fully, but I've not enjoyed my class 12.
So have you prepared for your board exams?
So little I have prepared.
Okay, so few months are left. So within these few months, you'll complete it. Okay. All the best, dear.
Thank you, sir.
So here we have MD Wasim after a long time. So MD Wasim, how are you feeling?
So feeling nice only, but due to
Okay, so due to excitement, he is unable to speak properly also. So this is our common class where we used to conduct history and geography as well as political science here. So we were missing this class very much.
Question number 37, conditional forfeiture of shares. So in this question, the company issued 3,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Now this is issued, company issued 3,000 shares of rupees 10 each. The value of share is
So this is our Sapan sir taking his accounts class after a long time.
Now application rupees 3.
Isn't it? Then see, there is a man and there are books. And here, what we have? We have humans. Right? Who are controlling us. Right? This is that. And there are hooks. So what are hooks? Hooks are the large rings. Circular, red, green, yellow, orange, red. All those rings are there.
Our yoga sir taking English literature class.
We have to play with these rings. In order, we have to perform. Right? On the whistle blown by the human. Right? Who is a trainer here. Isn't it? Right? As this ring. Isn't it? And that is the other side of the world.
Yes, Pintu sir, how are you feeling after a long gap of 11 months?
Very well, sir.
So you're excited along with the students?
Even I am excited, even the students are also excited to clear their doubts, sir.
Okay, all the best. So they have come after a long time, 11 months. So many of them have brought the books, many they don't have the books. So almost I have completed the syllabus, and so few of the students, those who were irregular in their online classes, so they have come to clear their doubts. So children, do you have any problems? Do you face any doubts? So whatever doubts you have, you please get cleared, okay? Don't feel shy. Okay, thank you very much.